this tutorial, I will show you how to create beautiful, relaxing music with just a few simple chords. And I tell you, this is going to be very beautiful. So imagine this, it's the end of a long day and you sit down at your piano and all your worries begin to melt away because in this video you will learn how to create your own relaxing piano music easily and step by step. And if you are new here on this channel, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. By the way, the sheet music for this tutorial you can download for free and I think you will really like it. You will find the link down below in the video description. Okay, so we start with the left hand first, and here you play with your pinky the C, and then just imagine you would play a C major chord in the second inversion. Okay, like this. And now we do a little trick. We just add the B with the middle finger. And this gives us not just a simple C major triad, this gives us a C major 7, okay? And this C major 7 is a really dreamy chord. Can you hear this? It's really so much more beautiful than if we would play just the C major triad. So you play the C and then you go up. Okay, this is the first thing. And now you go with your pinky to the F. And then again, try to imagine a C major triad in second inversion shape. Okay, so this is going to be easy. But now, instead of adding the B with the third finger, we will add the A with the ring finger. And at the first moment it feels a little bit strange, but if you do this for a few times in a row, then it feels more easily. So you begin with the little finger on the F and then you jump up to C major in second inversion, like you would visualize it, but don't forget to play the fourth finger, the ring finger too. Okay? And let's take a quick look what's behind this. So you start with the F with your pinky. This is the root note, okay? And then we can build the chord from that root. So let's have a closer look. And we can see this better when we just put the F up here. And then we can see this better, what's going on, okay? And this is what we see, is that we get the three notes of the F major triad, F, A, C. And in addition to that, we have the ninth, which is the G, and on top, the major seventh. This is the E. So we have all these beautiful notes, and all together we have an F major 7 at 9. Okay, so it's a fancy name, I know, but it gives us such a beautiful sound. You really have to practice this because there's a little jump in it. And really try to play with sustain pedal here because this gives us this beautiful dreamy sound. So let's do this together in the right rhythm. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to the F. 2, 3, 4. Again to the C and jump a little bit up. And then F major. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and yes, this is wonderful. And really take your time. I know these shapes might feel new, especially pressing the fifth and the fourth fingers together. Yes, but I can tell you, I promise, with the time it gets easier. Now for the right hand. Let's keep it super simple first. And we will improvise with these tones now. Basically, all the white keys in the C major scale, except of the F. So leave out the F, so you can play C, D, E, G. This is the C at 9 chord. And then, in addition to that, the A and the B. So this is our color palette, okay? These notes you can play for your improvisation. So here is the first exercise. While your left hand plays on beats 1 and 2, you can first concentrate totally on the left hand and then just fill the 3 and the 4 with a note in the right hand. So let's try this out. I will play an example. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then down to the F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down to the C. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't this easy? 3, 4. So on the 1 and on the 2, you play the left hand, and on the 3 and the 4, the right hand. 3, 4. And write me in the comments below if you also feel that this is a very relaxing sound. You can even try some octaves in the right hand if you feel like playing octaves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't this beautiful? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So practice this a few times in a row, and now play 4 eighth notes instead of 2 quarter notes. So pinky on the 1, chord on the 2, and then we will fill up the 3 and the 4 with the right hand. So like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 really try to stay with the notes from the color palette I told you, and you will be safe. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you are on the safe side when you keep playing all the white keys except of the F, and then everything will sound beautiful. If you haven't downloaded the free sheet music yet, make sure to get it now. You will find the link below in the video description. And now, for more variation, here is a third step we will do. Just skip the first eighth note and start playing on the 3 end. Okay? Let's look how this will sound. 1 and 2 3 and 4 and 4 and. If you are enjoying this so far and you've always dreamed of playing something beautiful and emotional freely without sheet music, then I really recommend checking out my online course, Modern Piano 1. You will find more info down in the video description, and I would truly love to see you there. But for now, let's jump right back into the tutorial. And now, we will do something really beautiful. Instead of just playing the pinky on beat 1, let's add a full deep octave like this. Okay? And this will just add more depth into our playing, but of course it's also a little bit harder to play. So you don't just play the pinky, you will add the octave. Okay, and then you really have to jump up, and then you do the same with the F, not only with the pinky. You just take the octave lower and then jump up. Just imagine you would play C major, second inversion, and then don't forget the A. And yes, this always gives you a little bit more orientation when you think of the C major triad. If you're already familiar a little bit with inversions, then this might help. And this you really have to practice many times in a row, that you really feel safe and that you really can play those big jumps. This is really something that requires much time, because this is really not easy, okay? So try to stay relaxed. It's absolutely no problem if you do this really slowly, so no hurry. And because in our daily routines we already have enough stress, and now when we are at the keys, please don't hurry, just take your time and try to relax a little bit while you are practicing. And now let's bring in the right hand again. Let's just try it out slowly. You know, this is your moment to breathe and let go. Close your eyes for a second and just feel it. Doesn't that sound just magical? Like a soft breeze on a summer evening, maybe. It's amazing how a few notes can create so much emotion. You don't have to be perfect, just let your fingers flow. There's no right or wrong here, just follow the sound. It's all about the feeling. Let the music guide your hands and your heart. Honestly, I could play this for hours. So, try this out and practice this also with the other two rhythm blocks that I showed you. And what you also can do is try a complete other rhythm, or try to invent small melodies just like you want. For example, you could play something like this. Yeah, don't be shy, just try. And you will see that there will be beautiful melodies will come into your mind. And this is the magic. This is the magic of playing the piano, right? If you liked this video, then I highly recommend you to watch this video next, because in this video I will show you how to create beautiful and calm romantic music. I am looking forward to see you there.